Okay, so I just have to share. When did I put this in? I think it's been about 20 or 25 minutes since I put in that diffuser. I sat down immediately and I was just like, I'm going to work. I've been sitting down and saying I'm going to work for 2 weeks. And today specifically, it was about an hour and something that I was sitting down and working. So, put in the diffuser, sat down and worked. It's been about 25 minutes, and I have finished 1 out of 3 of the parts that I have to do to finish this project, which is incredible because that would have taken me an easy 2 or 3 hours just to get myself through, because I would distract myself with 500 million other things because I don't want to do it. And let me just explain what this project is so you know what I'm talking about. I'm editing an index for an academic book. So you can understand how boring and how tedious this project can be. It is well over 1,000 terms that I have to find for this this person in their book. So, okay, I'm going to pause again and get back to work because, oh my gosh, I'm going to finish my project in a normal manner and have my life back after 2 weeks of working on a project that has taken way too long. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye.